Hello everyone, and welcome back to another inspiring episode about traditional craftsmanship and teamwork. In today's montage, we follow a man and a woman as they assemble the timber frame of a log house. From the very beginning, their coordination and attention to detail are evident. They begin by positioning the vertical support beams, carefully checking their alignment to ensure structural stability. Using a traditional wooden mallet, they gently hammer the beams and cross braces together, relying on precise mortise and tenon techniques to secure each section in place. Each blow of the mallet is measured not too hard, not too soft, just enough to hold the joints tight while preserving the natural wood grain. As the work progresses, you can see the outline of the house slowly emerging. They carefully lift each precast wall, working as a seamless team. The simplicity of their tools contrasts with the sophistication of their methods. There is no rush, just focus, balance, and the rhythm of practiced hands. This part of the process is not just about strength, it is about balance, precision, and the quiet discipline that comes from working closely with natural materials. As each beam connects, the skeleton of the house comes to life, steadfastly anchored in the lush green surroundings. It is a powerful image of dedication and harmony, showing us that with the right mindset and cooperation, even the most daunting tasks can be tackled with ease and purpose. During this phase of construction, the woman demonstrates her incredible carpentry skills by handling both the structural and finishing elements of the house. She begins by using a mallet and a wood chisel to carefully assemble the window frames. Each joint is precisely shaped, and the sound of the mallet hitting the chisel reflects her skillful technique. Next, she moves on to building the balcony railing. Using a standard hammer, she gently hammers the wooden slats into place. The alignment is manually adjusted, and each joint is secured with nails, creating a sturdy, handcrafted railing that blends perfectly with the rustic architecture of the house. Her movements are efficient and focused. Each hammer blow is carefully considered. Each piece of wood is thoughtfully placed. What stands out most is the balance she maintains between strength and delicacy. It is a formidable task, but also a deeply creative process. She works steadily and confidently, transforming raw materials into walls that would shelter the house. During this part of the construction process, the woman continued with incredible focus and care. She began by installing each wooden plank along the perimeter of the structure, forming the exterior walls of the house. Each plank was carefully selected for fit and strength, then carefully positioned and nailed with a hammer. gradually encasing the frame and transforming it into a shelter with character and durability. But her work did not stop there. She went inside to complete both the exterior and interior partitions of the house. Using carefully measured and installed planks, she built interior partitions that demarcated specific rooms, bringing both function and warmth to the living space. These interior additions marked a milestone when the house began to feel truly livable. She turned her attention to the functional details that made the house comfortable and safe. Using both a traditional hammer and an electric drill, she installs sturdy door hinges into the frame. Her movements are practiced and deliberate, ensuring the doors are precisely aligned and swing easily. She then installs the latches and locks, double-checking their operation to ensure everything opens and closes smoothly, providing convenience and safety. Every job is done with consistency and skill. The combination of basic tools and professional techniques demonstrates her ability to blend rustic architecture with reliable modern standards. What started as a simple structure has become a well-designed, functional log home, comfortable, safe, and surrounded by the peaceful beauty of nature. With her usual patience and attention to detail, the woman begins by carefully painting each door. She paints with a steady hand, ensuring an even and smooth finish that highlights the wood grain and gives it a fresh, warm feel. The doors come to life with each brushstroke, as if preserving all the hard work that went into creating them. She carefully applies a protective coat of paint, not only to enhance the overall beauty, but also to protect the wood from moisture and wear over time. The warm tones of the paint highlight the natural beauty of the material and make the entire structure look more refined and attractive. But her work doesn't stop there. She shifts her focus to the sturdy, upright pillars that support the house. One by one, she painted each column with focus and precision, giving them a solid finish that ties the house together both visually and structurally. This final coat of paint acts as a protective layer and gives the entire structure a finished, cohesive look. Thank you to everyone who followed and accompanied us through every step of this passion project. We hope it inspired you as much as it inspired us. See you on the next build, take care, and see you on the next one.